In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to analyze and predict the market using trends and historical levels. This strategy is more effective when we work with two time frames: the 5 minutes time frame for spotting out these trends and the 15 minutes time frame for spotting out the historical levels. So the approach is mostly for day trading and scalping. So on the 15 minutes time frame on Volatility 31S index, you will be spotting out the historical levels formed on this time frame, having a level here because of God's past histories. Price sold as a resistance at this point. So their resistance, sold resistance, resistance, resistance. Price bought as a support and sold currently as a resistance. So this is a valid historical level. We got the next level at this point, which price bought as a support here. Support, support, support. Sold as a resistance, bought as a support there. Support here currently. We have the next historical level at this point where price bought as a support there, got the sales, resistance here as well. Price bought little support, so this is under historical level. So I'm looking for trade opportunities working with this strategy. We'll be going to the 5 minutes time frame where we'll be spotting the market trend. So we got a downtrend at this point using the trend line to spotting the trend resistance and the trend support. So being that this is a downtrend, the trade opportunity we'll be looking out for is a buy opportunity after price approached this 15 minutes time frame historical level of support. We have to wait for a candlestick break and close above this trend line resistance, this downtrend, for a buy opportunity. So imagine buying this index from this point, target as this previous highs. That's good profit backed on this trade, trading the breakout of trends on the 5 minutes time frame. You can see how far price pushed up. So at this point, we got this uptrend which approached this historical level of resistance, spotting out the trend support and the trend resistance. So what you have to do at this point, being that this uptrend approached a historical level of resistance, is to wait for a candlestick break and close below this uptrend support level to sell this index. So let's remove these trend levels to assume this downtrend haven't formed yet. So we got a candlestick break and close below this trend support, this bearish candle. So imagine taking a sell trade at this point, stop loss above this level. You can see how far price sold to the downside. So before we buy or sell on these trends, you have to wait for a proper breakout, a candlestick break and close above or below this trend support or trend resistance levels to buy or sell. As I've got here, this is a downtrend. Let's spot the trend levels, the trend support at this point, and the trend resistance here. So this downtrend approached this historical level of support, which we have to look at for buy opportunities. So being that there was no candlestick break and close above this downtrend resistance level, we wouldn't be looking for any buy opportunity on this downtrend. So here we got this little uptrend. Let's spot the levels as well, the trend support here and the trend resistance, and we can see that this uptrend approached this historical level of resistance. Then we started getting the sales, which resulted to the breakout of this trend support level. So you have to wait for a candlestick break and close below this trend support level to sell this index. So imagine taking a sell trade here on this candlestick break and close below. Target should be on this previous lows somewhere here. That's good profit caught on these sales for day trading moves or scalping. So we have this uptrend which the market is forming currently. So let's spot the trend support and the trend resistance, the trend levels basically. So we have to wait for these trends to approach this historical level of resistance, buying up to this point, then getting these sells, which would wait for a candlestick break and close below this trend support level to sell this index, catching the sells back to these lows, something of this kind. But if price didn't approach this historical level of resistance before selling or giving the breakout of this trend support level as it's doing right now, you wouldn't be looking for any trade opportunity. So let's look out for past moves working with this trading approach. So we got this uptrend here, spotting the trend support and the trend resistance. Then price approached this historical level of resistance. So I think we got a candlestick break and close below this trend support level, which we would be looking for a sell opportunity. Taking a sell trade here with our stop loss above this level. Price retraced a little, giving these short term sells for quick scalp. And these buys we got here is price reacting to this historical level of support on the 5 minutes time frame. this level right here, price reacting to it, giving the buys. So this should be a realistic target for these short-term sales. Checking out other past moves, we've got this downtrend here, supporting the trend resistance level and the trend support level is a downtrend which approached this historical level of support, this level. So the breakout of this downtrend for the buys is expected. So all we have to do is to wait for a candlestick break and close above this downtrend resistance level to buy this index entries at this point, stop loss below these lows and targets at this level. You can see how far price bought. So that's it guys, that's how profitable and on point this strategy can be. Don't miss out on my fire trade signals and on the higher probability trade setups I share. To join my Telegram channel, link is in this video description and is pinned on this video comment section, so click to join and don't miss out. For more educative trading videos like this, do it to smash the like button, drop a good comment on this video and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for always engaging in my videos. It really means a lot guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.